मुझे ना वीडियो डेन्यूडेशन करने का है। ये अरे टीवी इधर करो क्या कर रहे हो आप?
डिजिटल एक्सपोर्ट में ना वो बहुत पीसी में खेल रहे
अरे
हैं।
मैंने ये तो आपको नहीं मालूम।
अरे बात पता है बेटा जो कर रहा है वो बचपन में अरे मैम अगर ये दूसरा कुछ गेम हो खेला
नो नो मार्कर denudation denudation का not ये this is very
चलो
so good shot. Get lost. No, another good video with all those pictures that all this derivation process. Yes. No, bettering we have studied, you know. Yes. CBSE. No. Weathering. No. Dr. Byron is correct. No, the other one. Never know. वो दोनों का एग्जाम कुछ है क्या? नहीं, खत्म हो गया। हाँ, denudation क्या होता है? क्या है उसकी हिंदी मिश्रण मिश्रण हाँ Korean little more required. we have studied about. You remember? This one is not good. जैसे मेरे पास एक गोल्डन आ गई वाले गोल्डन आ गया एक सादे आ गया अरे नहीं पहले जो हाँ so already we have studied आगे है ये this over physical and chemical now this one is not this all things now the new version only one based on works. Then like last and complex. Then how you have them? This good. Okay. We will study something and afterwards we'll see that derivation process. Ah, okay, take your book. Yes, you have to write those. Okay. And take this. Hmm. What is denudation? Right.
Now when you are writing, now it is helpful, no? Any idea about yesterday that girl came or not?
Really?
Ah.
That lazy girl.
No, he is not coming for maths.
Yeah,
No.
I don't remember. No, she was in.
Ian?
Ian was in. He was sick.
Ah.
Yes.
So that is why he did not join. Otherwise, no, he never take like that break.
Yeah. What's today's date? Not here. 8 to
8 to 15.
like Friday to next Friday. Yeah.
Where you are going?
Not Kolkata.
Kolkata. For what?
My sister is there. So like for a shower.
Your real sister?
Yeah. No, my cousin.
No.
So you don't give real sister. No.
The-
Yeah.
Okay, okay. What is denudation?
Question. What is
Very fast.
I guess it is a process
It is the process of
well
wearing away. Process of wearing away of landmass by various
various
processes. Like
like
weathering, erosion, mass movement, or you can write transportation and deposition. Are you getting? It results in lowering the level of land, comma, rounding exposed rock surface, exposed to rock surface, and leveling the peaks. So three things are happening. One is that is lowering down, and lowering means the height is lowering. For example, Aravalli Hill. You will study examples also. Aravalli Hill, it was a hill of having so much height. Ah, so it was a lengthy one. And due to this erosion and weathering, the height is reduced. It is not at all looking like a hill. Understood? So this is what a lowering. Then second process is that a rounding. That means the top become round shaped. That is also another important effect. And sometimes third effect is leveling the peak. Peak level. Eh? So it is three types of results are taking place as a result of weather. Next, processes involved in denudation. Processes involved in denudation. Okay, the first one, weathering. Definition you write. It is the disintegration. The disintegration of rocks by agents at near or surface of the earth. See, very close by or on the surface. So this way, when disintegration of the rocks take place, that video also we have seen that it is happening. That is at the top or near the surface of the earth. This disintegration, when it is taking place, it is called a weathering. It happens. No, full stop. It happens due to change in weather conditions. Weather conditions like temperature, moisture, precipitation, etc. Second point, erosion. It refers to the displacement of rocks by agents like wind, water, glacier, etc. Full stop. It is caused by the movement of these eroding agents and the resulting particles are transported to another place. Third point, mass movement uh, or you write or mass wasting. This is a term. It is the large scale movement of loose materials loose materials down the slope on account of gravity. The steeper the slope, more rapid is the movement. Next, transportation. It is the movement of material of material loosened by erosion and transported to the other places by the action of wind, water, etc. And next one, deposition. What happened? Not working. It refers to next one, deposition. It refers to the laying down of material, the laying down of the material that have been weathered, eroded, and transported by natural processes. Okay. Now, once again, let us see what is happening. We have learned about three processes. Okay. This is a rock block. And in that we have studied about the cracks are formed. Okay. The cracks are not formed all the places. Some weaker part only that the cracks are formed. And these places where the cracks are forming, this is becoming loose. And the loosened material is coming up. And that is what weathered material. Okay. So here also the loosened part. So these parts are very hard. It's not breaking. So this areas when this loosened material is coming up, this material is just displaced to other area. That is called erosion. The displacement of the loosened material. So the agents like wind, the agents like running water, river, all these agents are doing this work. Now it is just displaced only. It is not moved to over a longer distance. That is done during this mass movement. the heavy load of material is carried to other area. So you have heard about landslides. When landslides are occurring, huge mass is removed. This is what mass movement. Got it? Now, when the river water is flowing, this one carry along with it the sediments, the rock pieces, and other materials. So that is what it is transporting. Understood? So first is weathering, second is erosion, third is mass movement, and the next one is transportation. You got it? So that is what the last one. So the river is carrying all the material, and then finally on the banks of rivers or the mouth of rivers, it deposits. Because of the load, it cannot pull again further. So that is what it get deposited. Got this 5 processes? Now, let us imagine the river. Okay. So normally the river originates from the heights. Okay. This when the river is originating from the heights, what happens? It is very active. So much water is there. It carry all the material, the rock pieces, so many material it is carrying. So we have seen the weathering and the erosion. It carry. Now, when it is coming in this stage or the first part, it is called a youthful stage. It can be divided into 3 stages. The first is youthful stage. What is youthful stage? You are very active. Anything you can do. So that way the river is also carrying all the material, and with a great force it is moving. So the what is the part that is original part? It is called the upper course of the river. Upper course of the river or the youthful. Clear? So what is doing? It is having heavy lot of things. It moves very fast. So it is called a youthful. Now when it is coming to the middle course, so the second part is middle course. Middle course, it is carry load and load. It cannot go forward with great force. So youthful age is over. It is coming to some old age. So the middle part, it is called maturity period. So it is not able to pull further. So what it will do? It will make oxbow lakes. It will deposit some things there, and the direction of that river changes. So what is happening later only? I think so that meander, oxbow lakes, and all it is there. So what is happening? It will deposit some part, then its direction changes and all. So it is like what is that? Old age. Cannot go fast. Now it come to the lower course. Lower course of that period, what is happening? It is again little bit active. Understood? So that time the full work is deposition. So here erosion, here transportation, and the lower stage is deposition. Okay, so in a deposit, floodplains, deltas, and all are formed in the lower stage. This is what the work a river do during this time. So you can take that video, see that video, and understand fully. Mr. Beast. Denudation, then work of a river. See how it is going. It is turning and twisting, twirling. Okay.
This one.
See that. The course of the river, you will say. These, the upper course, middle course. Only me, I know. Upper course. Ah, one is not approved.
On the inner band, a strip of slope. In the lower growth,
Okay. Understood now? That afterwards. Now a few these things we will write. Three stages of river. Okay. Break it. Now you write the heading. Work of a river. Work of a river. Rivers are the greatest. Rivers are the greatest agents of erosion, transportation, and deposition. The force of erosion erosion of a river depends on the degree of inclination or gradient. What is gradient? Gradient means height or level. Like example, lake, a river flowing from lake. Plateau normally peak only, that hill only. So it is jumping. So that create waterfalls. So that
cliff from cliff.
So then that waterfall is having that V shaped. Okay. Two sides that rock. Then the rock is cut by this water. Gradient of its course
Rockets goes.
uh, The volume of water it carries,
Full stop.
eh,
Full stop.
comma,
The
volume of water
water
it carries,
carries,
comma,
comma,
the load of sediments, velocity, comma, velocity of water,
physics. Velocity of water.
and water discharge. Okay, these all are the factors help in the work of a river. If the river is not having a steep fall, then it is not having that much velocity speed also because gentle, no? Gentle stroke. So the fall of water is also like that. So depends upon all these factors, the river courses are also different. Okay. Now, uh, course of a river. Course of a river.
Next point.
Ready. Course of a river.
COUR.
Course of a river. Rivers normally originate in mountains from
From
glaciers or
or through
lakes. Lake is there, no? Mansarovar Lake or like that, no? Glaciers
at a
or
point the lake will end, right?
eh?
At a point lake will end.
Sometimes it is having that kind of most
Limited
of the
resource.
most of the lake is having like that only. That is how
And
much
the
water.
water that is like from the melting of glaciers.
See, actually, some cases a huge mass of ice started moving. So that area is formed into a lake because that glacier is moved away from, slipped away from. So that formed into a lake. Some areas, what happened, it formed a gap as a result of earthquake or some other kind of activities, and a gap is formed and it got filled in. So anyhow, there is a limit for that. Okay. Now, some rivers like those in the Deccan plateau are formed due to meeting of various
Various
streams during rainfall. The place from where it starts is called a source. The place where the river enters the sea disappears before joining it? It is called mouth. See, here from where it is originating, it is called source, and where it is joining is called a mouth. So here only sometimes deltas are formed, isn't it? So source is the starting point.
Structure, right?
No, V-shaped structure is here. Source. But ending part it is meeting the sea. So there the deposition of sand and silt can be there. So that part is called the mouth.
CD shaped structure.
V-shaped structure is the starting point.
This is delta, right? So,
Delta is the mouth part. See, where
delta is mouth. Mouth is head.
yeah.
So this is delta.
Yes. From various areas it is coming and joining. That is the mouth part. Got it? Yes.
How is this delta? Part of delta field.
Okay. You don't do anything. Otherwise.